Hey, it's TJ with Southwest Blinds and Shutters. I'm often asked by customers, I have this big sliding glass door that I'm looking to cover. What can we do about it? And one of my first questions back will be, do you want a product that moves left and right, or do you want a product that goes up and down? So there's different products that can do different things. A couple of the products we have here are gonna be one of those left and right moving. So this is gonna be a Vertiglide or a vertical honeycomb, and I can move this shade and stack it off to the left. One of the benefits to this product is going to be that it can stack very tightly. So you can really get your full window back, and I can do this as a split stack or a one-way left or a one-way right. Another option, a little bit of a popular option back in the day, is going to be a panel track shade. So again, moving left and right. I can draw this one left, or I can do a split stack, or I can draw it right. More options would be like a roller shade. This is actually designed to go over a patio, but similar concept to a roller shade. I can roll this shade up all the way, get my full window back, roll it down partially. If the slider is very large, oftentimes for the function of the shade, we want to split that shade into multiple panels. So whether you have 3 panes of glass, 4 panes of glass, 2 panes of glass, or even more, 5, 6, we could do 2 panels, 3 panels, panels over each pane of glass. So there's lots of options with that. You'll have traditional drapery. So you can do your formal traditional drapery, which we have some panels in here just as an example. We're also gonna have smart drapery, which is a fun one. Here's some of that traditional drapery. So you can have panels that draw left, draw right. Definitely a fun look, more traditional. Can really look elegant and rich. A little modern take on a traditional drapery is going to be the smart drapery. And same concept, I can have this motorized or manual, draw this left, have my full sliding glass door view, maybe just want partial coverage. And then a fun feature with this product is it's gonna allow me to twist this wand and close these for more privacy and more sun protection. Cut the glare off your TV, but really good for pets, kids. I can walk through this at any point. So if I'm going out to check on the grill, take the trash out, whatever it may be, you can just walk right on through it. So lots of different options for those big sliding glass doors. They're fun to cover. You can get fun with the sliding glass doors. I'll usually explain that this does not have to necessarily be the same as what you're doing on the other windows. There's a lot of products that work together, but one of the most popular is gonna be the smart drapery and a roller shade. A lot of the sliding glass doors that we have in Arizona are gonna start at about 8 feet wide, and I've seen these go all the way up to 20 feet wide. So depending on the size of your sliding glass door, you'll be able to either do one large single panel shade, or we'll end up splitting it into multiple panels. What I mean by that is that you'll have a continuous valance or a top treatment that is going to cover multiple tubes and panels of shades, and we'll usually split those on the actual panes of glass. And then this one's cordless, so I can just roll this up. You can motorize them, you can do them with a manual continuous cord loop. But yeah, I would say the more panels you have, depending on the size of the sliding glass door, the more function you're gonna get out of it. If you go in and out of one pane of glass, but you would still like the other side covered, then we can do that in a 2-panel roller shade. That way you maintain privacy or sun protection through the one side, but you're still able to go in and out of the other side. Functionally, aesthetically, they look really nice when you have multiple panels versus one just kind of monstrosity of a shade.